Lisa Misfit. Let's get straight into it. Nice clear profile photo, good quality photos, pinned post. That's okay. I don't mind that. I would maybe put in here Misfit or Lisa Misfit, and then online transformation coach, online women's coach, online health coach. You've got Misfit, health and wellness website, fitness trainer, influencer. You don't really need to put this in the bio. Helping busy women lose belly fat. Okay, so it's a pet peeve of mine, yeah, but I hate when people capitalize like one part, then they capitalize another part, but they don't quite capitalize the whole thing. Capitalize everything. That's just my opinion. And then how much belly fat? How long does it take? I would start to think about that kind of stuff. And then a code. How much money are you making off the code? If this code is making you lots of money, keep it. If it's not, scrap the code and promote your own business. That's just my opinion. Link, nice clear website. So I would change this. I would actually just put the link to the guide. Oh wait, they got to pay for it. Okay. I'm not sure how harsh to be here. This is what I would do, yeah? I would make something that you can give away for free and let people download that. I'm not going to do a content training or anything, but you know, content's good. You're getting engagement. You ain't posting on your stories though. That's a bit of a problem. We've got to get active on the stories, man. Let people have it for free. I'll give you an example. One of our clients, Steven, our client here, Steven, he gives away a recipe pack. If you download the recipe pack, he gets your email, your phone number, and then he does some automatic marketing towards me while I get something for free and I build some value and then I buy from him down the road. Rather than selling that tummy pack for $69, give something away for free. Yeah, it doesn't have to be, it could be something very light and easy, but give it away for free. I promise you, you'll make more money in the long run. Apart from that, the quality of your page is good, but the bio definitely needs some work. Definitely needs some work.